actually filming this on the day of the solar eclipse. Let me know down in the comments if you guys were able to watch it and where you watched it from. So I'm in Southern California. Unfortunately, we only got like the bottom half blocked out, but it's so cool to see nonetheless. But let me know where you guys were, what you saw. I want to know what you guys experienced because this is so cool. The kids and I kept on going outside and checking it, so I can't imagine what that was like in other parts of the country, because I know some of you guys got like total blackout. Unfortunately, we didn't get that here, but so cool to see nonetheless. But took a little break from doing things around the house to kind of go back and forth and see that go down. So super exciting. I wanted to note that in this video because it only happens, I don't know, what was the last one? 2000. But it was just so cool to experience, and since it's such like a rare thing, it just makes it that much more fun. But I'm coming out into the backyard because it's just so darn nice out, and I need to do a little bit of straightening up. I want to add a little bit more soil to my planter. I want to water my flowers, do a couple of things back here, so I'm going to take you guys with me.
A lonely wind is passing by, tries to carry all the whispers that it finds. The walls are listening when we talk, making echoes as we walk. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see. Hold my hand and hear the words I say. Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. There's no one left but you and me. It's like a made-up place that only we can see.
I picked up these two sunscreens. I just got them on Target.com, but I feel like you can buy these online, maybe like Amazon. But I see the sunscreen and like the sprays going around for this, and you guys, I had to order it. It is pricey. I want to say it was like $18.99, but my curiosity got the best of me. So I ordered this. I cannot wait to start using it. It smells so good. And then for the kids, I picked up this brand. I heard really good things about it, just a little bit more of like a clean option. So thought I would show you guys. We're getting all geared up for, obviously spring is here, but lots of summer days in the pool. If you guys have any better recommendations for me, please send them my way. But really excited for this one for the kiddos, and then really excited about this one for myself. It was almost painful to come inside, you guys. The weather here has been so stunning. I actually overdid it and got way too much sun over the last few days. I got completely fried, but it feels so good just to be outside and soaking up that warm sunshine. I'm so happy that spring is here, and I just know we're going to have so many amazing days ahead with summer on the horizon. Let me know if you guys are also so excited for summer that's on deck and just soaking up all the spring sunshine, all the flowers, the cool breeze, opening up all those windows, the spring cleaning. It just feels so nice. It also feels really good to have such minimal things out around the house. I feel like this time of year just feels lighter. If you know, you know. But I have a laundry room full of laundry. We did do a camping trip, and of course that means a lot of laundry. I actually killed it with laundry this day, if I'm being honest. I think I did about 4 or 5 loads, and all of our laundry was clean by the end of the day from our trip. And man, that is a tall task. Let me tell you, as a family of 4 being gone for 4 days, that is a lot of laundry, and that's also including towels and linens. So I was just trucking away this day and just pushing laundry through like no other. And then as loads were washing and drying, I was doing other things around the house. So lots to do around here. So I'm so happy to take you guys along with me. We're doing a lot of picking up, a lot of small tasks, but those tiny tasks always seem to add up. Everything was just everywhere down here, and I didn't want to settle in the second half of the day and just run out of motivation. So made myself a cup of coffee, as you guys saw, and we're just going to keep trucking along.
Some gates never get to open 'cause it's too late. I could be the one who saves you from this place. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me, find me, find me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Yeah, I won't let you down. I won't let you down.
Totally forgot to share this with you guys. I told you that I ordered it. It came in, we got it set up, and totally forgot to share it. So I was telling you guys how I pulled out all of our records. They were stored in that cabinet, and now that we have like this whole beautiful built-in area, we decided to bring out the record player and all the records, and they were just piled here. So I went on Amazon and I found this really neat record holder. It holds a ton. I will link it. I've been doing the shoppable links here on YouTube. So convenient, by the way. I'll see if I can find it and add it on here for you guys. But we put all our records here, and then whatever record you're playing, there's a little display, so you can display the cover art right there. So I thought that was so cool. Actually, a lot of these records are from my mother-in-law. There's some good ones in here, you guys. Let me know if you guys love records too. We play them very often, but these are like all from like the 60s, 70s, all from my mother-in-law. So thought that was so cool. Look at the Christmas ones, Halloween ones. I mean, are these not so stinking cool? So I actually want to add new with the old. So I feel like now I can buy records, like even newer albums, and just kind of have that vintage feel. And then I had gotten rid of a piece of furniture, so I have all these movies. I donated a bunch, put some in our trailer, and this is what I have left. So I'm gonna store these in here on this top shelf, because these just got put in. I've had these shelves for like 6 years and just now got these middle shelves put in. So that gives me basically double the storage in here. So as you can see, everything just looks so much more neat and tidy. We have the DVD player here too, so it just makes more sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these out of the way, less clutter, put them away where they belong, and now they have a designated space.
don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine, cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality, cause I can see in your eyes.
This kitchen is always the dumping ground, and it started to kind of get a little out of control, so I wanted to go ahead and tackle this kitchen island before it got any worse. Also got sidetracked going through my purse and going through receipts, because I need to be better about throwing away receipts that need to be tossed and keeping ones that are important for like tax purposes and whatnot. So I took a minute to do that, and that felt really good. That way I wasn't carting them around with me every day in my purse. So this is your reminder to go through your purse, go through your wallet, go through your bags. It feels so good not carrying around all that extra weight and all that extra clutter. You just feel like you have your life together. These flowers are still going, you guys. I bought these the week of Easter, maybe 3 or 4 days before Easter, just from my local grocery store. And I've just been pulling the ones that aren't looking so great. And then I am going to downsize this vase into a smaller one, give it fresh water. Now I know these aren't looking 100%, but they are still worth keeping around. So I went ahead and like I said, just pulled the ones that weren't looking too great and kept the ones that still had a little life left. I also want to apologize for the quality in these clips. This window being open, I didn't know it made the screen go dark, so I had to mess with the brightness, which makes this footage a little grainy, but I didn't want to completely cut it out. So for the 2 minutes of this whole video, I thought we'll go ahead and keep it in here. So I apologize. It's such a rookie mistake not to have fixed the window in this clip, but it's okay. It all worked out. And I still think this bouquet looks really, really beautiful. It's actually still on my counter as I'm doing this voiceover. I've been making some cozy changes to our home, and one of those things is adding a rug right here on the slider coming into the house. Not only does it cut down on like mud and dirt being tracked in from the backyard, or if somebody's swimming and their feet are a little bit wet, they can pat them dry here on this mat. It has been a long time coming, but it just cozies up and softens the space. And then obviously the functionality of it, but it also gives Ruger a nice little soft place to lay down or stand when he's eating or drinking. So I don't know why I haven't put one here sooner, but like I said, it just adding something like that just makes the space feel so much warmer and more cozy and more homey. I also made some changes in my downstairs bathroom, which I showed you guys in my last video, that I am still absolutely loving, you guys. I even added some green towels, and that whole space just finally feels finished. And it's such a good feeling that you have a space that just feels good to you, no matter what your style is. Go, like I've been saying, this is the year of you. Do what you like. Put things that you like in your home. Defy all the rules, break all the rules of decorating, and just make your house something that you like. Doesn't have to be what everyone is sharing on social media or Pinterest worthy. If you love it, do it. So that downstairs bathroom, I think it's very beautiful, but it is so me, so cozy, and feels so finished. So that has motivated me to get on those little details of the other parts of my home. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. But still here in the kitchen, as you can see, we got everything cleared off, dishes caught up, counters wiped down. So now I'm just going to be working on some finer details. I had to share this little find. I know this is just such a minor detail in a kitchen, but to me, when you feel like you have a cluttered mind, little things like this just bring me so much joy. So I got this oil sprayer. I will see if I can link it for you guys. It was around $10, and you pour your olive oil right in this spray, and it just makes it so much less busy, more aesthetically pleasing if you're going to be keeping it out on the counter. So you can clearly see the bright, obnoxious packaging of the PAM here next to my oven, and it just isn't the vibe, you guys, and it's also not healthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with this beautiful stainless steel can, and it just looks so much better. Still trucking along with all this laundry. I did a lot in between filming this day, but I spared you guys a lot of the details. But I thought I would go ahead and add this into the end of the video so you guys can see the after, because you guys saw earlier in the video how much laundry was piled up in here, and it is so minimal by the time I end this video right here. So I had to add this in here. I also wanted to thank you guys so much for watching today and hanging out with me. Some days, some weeks, I get a few videos out, and sometimes I just get one. It's actually 2:15 p.m. as I'm doing this voiceover, and shoot, I might just go ahead and export and upload this and just put it up right now and not even wait until tomorrow. So I will go ahead and get this video finished up for you guys, and that way I can get it up. But thank you so much for being patient, as life has just been so crazy. I know a lot of you can also relate. So I hope you guys were able to enjoy this one, stay motivated, feel like you were cleaning along with a friend, make you feel just a little less alone. I know that we're all drowning in housework and responsibility together. If you guys are new here, I hope that you will consider subscribing before you go. Like this video if you can. It's free and helps me out a ton. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. This is a mistake. I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just